Snoring has become a common sleep problem that plagues many people, including the snorers themselves, and their partners or roommates. But what causes snoring and how to stop it? This video will give you the answer. Causes of snoring. Snoring often means that your breathing is blocked when asleep, which may be the result of the following causes. 1. Sleeping posture. Lying supine is a common sleeping position, but it can cause the tongue and soft palate to fall, blocking the airway and causing snoring. 2. Alcohol and drugs. Drinking alcohol and taking some sedative drugs will relax the throat and pharynx muscles, making it easier to cause snoring. 3. Lack of water. When the body is dehydrated, the secretions in the nasal cavity and pharynx will be thicker, increasing the symptoms of snoring. 4. Stay up late. Staying up late will make pharyngeal muscles more relaxed, which may aggravate the symptoms of airway obstruction. 5. Blocked nose. When the nasal cavity is congested, people are prone to breathe by mouth. Mouth breathing is a leading cause of snoring. 6. Unclean pillow. Allergens such as dust mites and pet dander in mattresses and pillows can aggravate nasal congestion, causing snoring or making snoring worse. 7. Fat. Too much fat accumulates on the neck of a fat person, which may collapse the respiratory tract and cause snoring. How to stop snoring? 1. Try to sleep on your side. You can use a pillow of the same length as your body to maintain the sleeping position on your side. 2. Quit alcohol, especially avoid drinking 4 to 5 hours before going to bed. 3. To add moisture to the room, a humidifier is a good choice. 4. Develop good sleeping habits. Work and rest regularly. 5. Keep the nasal cavity unblocked. Take a hot bath before bed and use ventilating nasal patches can be helpful. 6. Keep the bed clean, wash the pillowcases and sheets in time, and choose a pillow of suitable height. However, if you find abnormal snoring like a strong and irregular one, you need to consult the doctor as soon as possible.